Welcome back, everybody, to Joe's Small Engine Repair Garage, and I am glad that you are back. And I'm pleased that you're here for another video of mine. Okay, so a couple weeks ago and everything, I was working on a Stihl BG85 leaf blower, and I took it apart, and I was going to go ahead and clean it up and have everything ready to put it back together. So here's all the parts here, basically the bottom part. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and these rings are a little bit dirty, but I'll clean them up real quick. Okay. So, how you can see, I went ahead and cleaned up this surface here. I cleaned up this surface, and there's like a little groove in here. This is where your silicone will go into. So I'll go ahead and seal off this engine here in the middle. And so here I have it cleaned off. And also on the piston here, I have one head and I cleaned off. Went ahead and put it on a wire wheel, and went ahead and cleaned it all up so it's all new, nice and smooth, and looks really nice and shiny. So what we need to do is first, now I like to put a little bit of a thin coating of silicone. Just as a little bit extra insurance that it won't be leaking. Okay, so I have first thing I need to do is put on the rings. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now to go ahead and insert this guy, which is kind of almost impossible. There we go. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I got the first part of it put together. Believe me, folks, it wasn't that easy. I was lucky. I got really, really lucky. Okay, now here are the Snowblower's 2 oil seals. What I like to do is I like to look for inside it here. See, can you guys see that? Okay, right here. Okay, no, there's no cracks or anything like that. And there's like a little spring right in behind here, and it's still in one shape, in one piece. So that looks good there. So, yeah. Now what you want to do is you want to put it so you have this part going in. Just push it in all the way. Same for the other thing. I like to go ahead and check for any damage or anything. This looks good. Now, what I like to do in everything is each one of these little corners here, just put a little bit of silicone on there. A little dab of silicone there. Okay, looks good. Now, put a little bit of silicone right here. You want to go ahead and try to put it right to the edge. Go around here. Okay, so we have, okay, so I believe this goes this way, I hope. Okay, so go ahead and put in 4 bolts. Okay. Okay. So we have the very basics of this little motor here. And Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the exhaust now. I think one of the bolts I misjudged for a different bolt, but actually goes to a muffler.